Yeah, even a jungle man needs to brush his teeth. And here's my cozy room. I got 4 beds for 600 baht. That's under 20 euro per night, including breakfast and free coffee as much as you want. And that's what I'm going to do now. The dam is everywhere. It's not just the big one, it's a small one also. That's a lot of sea shampoo flowers. And this river is coming from the Ratchaprapha Dam, and sometimes it's almost no water here. But now they have let go of the water, so it's a river again. The king, Bhumiboola Dulyadej, opened this Ratchaprapha Dam in 1987. And it's a multi-purpose dam. So it serves a lot of interest around this area of Thailand. Ratchaprapha is a rock-filled dam with a clay core, and usually you see dams with built up with concrete, but this is a dam used by clay and rocks. And this is one of the dams. This Ratchaprapha has a lot of dams, not one. You have an amazing nature. I'm going to look for a Longtail boat and going around the lake. But in Thai language you can also say Cheo Lan Lake. Or is it English Cheo Lan Lake or Ratchaprapha Lake? I don't really know what's the original name for it. And this lake is in middle of Khao Sok National Park, and it's 185 square kilometers big. So this is a big nice area to go and visit. And this lake is an artificial lake, so it's not Mother Earth who made this lake. And the Khao Sok National Park has a lot of mammals, a lot of animals. Tigers, elephants, tapirs, and you can stay in middle of the jungle if you like, in some bungalows. Oh my god, I forgot my Easy Rider hat. The Swedish Globetrotter has no hair. I must look up these longtail boats. The viewpoint over Ratchaprapha Lake, it's quite touristic area, but come here like 7-8 o'clock in the morning and you're free from at least 95% of the tourists. Because the tourist bus, the guided tours, they come around 11 maybe. And here we got some temple, as in many places in Thailand. And there you have it, the Ratchaprapha Dam and the Ratchaprapha Lake going together. Looking good. I took my long sleeved shirt from the bike because I forgot my turban, Easy Rider hat, or we call it. My scarf that I always put on my head. I have it in my bungalow. But it works. If I don't have these things on my head because I have no hair, it doesn't matter if you have hair also, you need to have something on your head. In this heat, it's so ridiculous hot. You can't be out more than 2 hours without something on your head, you're fainting. Like I did last night, almost 8 hours on the motorbike. And okay, I have a helmet, long pants and a long shirt, but it doesn't matter. I almost dried out. I drink water, I thought that, but not enough. And then when I come to the guest house to the bungalows, I almost fainted it. So I asked the lady, can I take the room even if it's 11 o'clock? So I ran in, took a shower, a cold shower. It was like putting ice water on a frying pan. And then I put the air condition on and oh my god, it was so amazing. 8 hours on a motorbike, I don't think so. No more. I'm never going to do that again, not in this climate. Okay, I stopped for a while and took a drink, took a bite to eat, but I didn't have any shadow in 8 hours, I think. I look like a Bedouin from Egypt. Let's go and find some shadow and some soft, cold drinks. Oh, air condition. Air condition. Air condition. Water, water, water. No shang, no shang. One cold Coke. Hello. The lady let me have the air conditioner in the shop for 5 minutes break. Sat down there and on a chair. Okay, I don't know what's in Coca-Cola, but it's make your stomach feel good. So when you have this different bacteria culture in countries like tropical countries like this, it's good to drink Coca-Cola and yogurt, also good. Oh, now let's move on and move down from this viewpoint of Ratchaprapha Dam and go down to the village, to the harbor, and see what they can offer. I want to have some restaurant and maybe a Longtail boat somewhere. And like the YouTuber Jeff Carter from Manchester, England, they always say, keep smiling. It's time to go. The big group tourist buses is coming. It's coming. Please. I need to go. I need to go. Oh, fresh wind. Oh my god, I love it. I love this when you have been without your motorbike for a while and then you feel the wind. That's so amazing. Let's go down the hill here and look for the harbor, the pier, for the lake here. I think they should have some restaurants there. And I need to stop and of course take a shot at this amazing view. This is what you get when you take a motorbike. This is so beautiful. Crazy, crazy. It's all impossible to come down to the lake. I don't find any harbor. Okay, I need to go somewhere else. Maybe they don't have any harbor here in this lake. Not this kind of harbor that I'm looking for. I want a harbor with a restaurant and some maybe renting a Longtail boat. Finally I found some road that going down to the lake, but not lake this time either. This is the river running from Ratchaprapha. And do you know what else I found? Chang chang chang. Do you know what? The other side of the river has a guest house. And who's staying there? Yeah, me! Just a coincidence. This is the restaurant they're building in my guest house. Oh. Oh, that's 1 in a million shot. And there we have the pier. Let's see if I can find some Longtail boat. I just found a Longtail boat. It cost me 1,700 baht for 2 hours. But it's going to be worth every penny, I think. Let's go to Khao Sok National Park, and it costs 320 baht to go into the park. Or not go into the park, boat into the park.
Number. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, watch it. Hello, somebody. Please boat. By myself in this big giant boat. Longtail boat in Thailand, that's the perfect way to go. Even if you're alone like this, you need to pay a little extra if you don't want to be in a group, but it's worth every money. We're going to see some enormous cliff formation, limestone formation soon. I recommend to do this early in the morning so you don't need all the tourists, as always. in the middle of the lake. So that was it. That was an amazing day on the lake. And yeah, now we are going to more of the jungle in the Khao Sok National Park. Ja, var ung en gång för länge sedan, en flottare med ett berg. Alla gäster var som faktiskt i min famn. I alla torp, i alla byar hade jag en liten vän. Ifrån Nordengrå till Skiljet ner vid berg. Hej!